Today in this video I will show you how to restart audio drive in Windows. So it is very easy to reset it or restart. So first you need to search device manager. Simply search it and open it. Now you see this audio input and output. Simply double click on it, and the second speakers, so right click on it and click on disable device. Click on yes and again click on it, right click on it and click on enable device. Now close it. So very easily you can reset or restart audio drive in Windows. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.